Richard. Say hi, Richard.
Hi, Richard. Good morning.
Richard and I are headed down to a place called Gray Court. It's in South Carolina. It's below the city of Greenville. And we're going to go visit another ham friend of ours. We're leaving the house with 80%, and we're in the Model Y. And it's just about 58 miles down there. Should be a good ride. We're tooling down Interstate 26 in South Carolina, and it's all foggy. What's up with that? And of course, we're on autopilot. Yeah, the fog's getting deeper here. What the heck's up with that?
Yep, we're going right through the big city.
Now turn right onto Highway 221.
We're just off Interstate 26 onto Highway 221. We're here on 221 and of course running autopilot. Autopilot works equally well on two-lane roads, divided highways, interstate, either way. We're in the little town of Switzer. Kind of interesting. You ever been here, Richard?
Yep.
Have you really?
I've been through it.
Wow. How about that? An old hat.
I've been everywhere, man.
I guess. So anyway, we're just tooling our way. We're actually going through the the center of a town called Woodruff. It's up here a ways. Town of Woodruff, old houses, been here a long, long time. Wow, look at this beauty.
I believe this was cotton at one time.
Cotton? Yeah, I bet.
Now turn right onto West Georgia Street.
No, I'm not. This is downtown Woodruff. And you can actually see what it looked like probably in the 1800s here, I'm guessing. Pretty old place. All right, we're going right through town here. Uh-oh.
Well, I like our parking better in Hendersonville, though.
Yeah, the parking here is pretty cool. Go on, lady. Anyway, the town's been here a while.
In 1,000 feet, turn right to stay on South Main Street.
Let's see, this is where we're turning. Now we gotta go around the corner.
Now turn right to stay on South Main Street.
We gotta go straight, right or straight? It wants us to go straight, so we are going to go straight.
On South Main Street.
And this next road here.
Right.
Yep. All right.
Now turn right onto Allen Street.
All right. Good one. See some of the original houses here.
It's pretty neat. I don't mind making this trip.
Yeah, it's fun driving through the older parts that have been here forever and a day. Yeah, I think we're getting out of town of the real old stuff here now. It's overcast and the colors suck here on the camera, but it's okay. We're now south of Woodruff, going through the forest. It's pretty here, especially in the summertime, big time green. Going over a little creek or river. It's pretty here in the south. I am just about destinated here where I'm going. Yes, it's way out in the country. And the best part is, there's moo cows out here. Look at that. All right, well, I'm gonna go do my thing and then I'll be heading home. See you in a few. We're heading back north now, going through the town of Woodruff. Yeah, it kind of looks the same, but in reverse, I know.
It's kind of a pretty good sized town, surprisingly.
It's a big town.
We're not even downtown by a long shot.
They got a lot of stuff going on down here. You had a good time at our friend's house down
in 1 mile, turn left onto North Main Street.
In Gray Court, and it's pretty cool. now changed our direction. We were going to go through Woodruff up to Interstate 26 and up and around. And now we're going across country. We're going to a little town called Cashville. And then we're heading north to Greer. And we're going all the way across country to a lunch place up in a place called Tryon. Oh yeah, that's where I live. Let's do an energy check. Yep, 50%. It's out Cashville, right? There we go. That was Cashville.
You didn't recognize it?
No, you didn't recognize it? Richard, did you recognize it?
I saw the sign.
Well, there you go. Uh-oh, 40.
It says goes bigger than the town of Cashville.
Yeah. The gas station's bigger than the whole town of Cashville.
I bet you there's school right there, Dave.
Could be. Old school from Cashville here.
I believe we're still using it for something.
Yeah, it could be. All right, well, there you go. We're going to set our next destination here. All right, well, we're as we head north, we're headed towards Interstate 85 and more population here. I think we're between Spartanburg and Greenville, so that's where we are now. We've now crossed under Interstate 85, and our next stop is a place called Gowensville. It's an interim step. Our ultimate goal is head up north here to the city of Tryon, where our lunch is. We've got 18 miles cross country. We get to go through Greer, and up Highway 14 will be next. We're just going by the assembly facility here of BMW, or Americans call it BMW. You got another facility here, and you got the big one here on the left. They manufacture both fossil fuel and are starting to do more electric vehicles, whatever models they have there. BMW. We're in the town of Greer, and we're coming in from the south.
In 1 mile, turn left onto East Arlington Avenue.
We're going to miss downtown part, but this is the city of Greer.
You get in the right lane, get a better picture, Dave.
That's okay. Well, that was one long train now, wasn't it?
Used to kill me.
There you go, downtown Greer, kinda. We're getting close to lunch here now, 3 miles away, almost in the city of Tryon. We've gone all the way across country here, and we're getting there now. We're arriving here at Mr. Juan's
Now
Mexican
your destination is on the
restaurant.
left.
Believe it or not, of all the places in town, this isn't bad. It's pretty good, actually. We are here at Mr. Juan's. Pretty good Mexican food, all in all, for North Carolina. Yep, just coming back from today. Looks like we drove 143 miles. We used 40 kilowatt hours of energy and an average rate of 279 watt hours per mile. It was a good day. We went and visited our friend down in Gray Court, South Carolina. And it was fun to see him, and we had a late lunch. It was good. We stopped at Mr. Juan's Mexican food. Richard, did you have a good time today?
I certainly did. We met a nice individual, had a good time on the trip, got to see places he'd never seen before, and had a great lunch. All in all, it's been a great ride. Good way to spend the day.
Yep, we drove through weird places. So even Cashville, which I think was 2 buildings. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you would, please subscribe. You know, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the upcoming videos, and take care.